The Electricity Regulatory Authority organized media engagement on the basic information surrounding the electricity sector. This is in the wake of the power vending transition from Umeme to a government entity, UEDCL.
The government, they can access concessional funding. And while we are talking about 20% net of tax for private financing, when it comes to concessional funding, you're looking at levels of 8% and below. So now automatically the cost of financing has more than halved, and that filters directly into the end user tariff.
With electricity outages becoming rampant across the country, the regulator called for patience, attributing load shedding to transitional challenges.
But because the concession has come to its natural end, the company cannot recover that money through the end user tariff, because it will mean front-ending the end user tariff, which does not rhyme with our policy of making the end user tariff affordable.
Engineer Ziria disclosed that amidst the electricity challenges, the Auditor General is assessing and processing the would-be buyout amount to compensate Umeme infrastructure investments.
This amount will only be determined after 31st March 2025, because Umeme is mandated and is required to invest into the network until when the concession comes to an end.
The Umeme concession will expire on the 31st of March 2025, and the regulatory body is expected to conduct a tariff rebasing upon assessing UEDCL operation parameters. These tariffs are expected to be determined by the amount of capital government is willing to invest.
These parameters include the loss factor, the collection rate, the quality of service, the quality of supply. These parameters are different from those of Umeme. Also, the economic regime that UEDCL is going to run will be different from that of Umeme. And therefore, come 1st April 2025, the running tariffs will be different. But again, we are not going to do this privately. We are going to come to the public.
The increased customer base is likely to necessitate a new economic regulation framework to ensure electricity efficiency, sustainability, and affordability. Abdunasir Lubwama and Rogers Komagum, UBC.